Ever wondered what rock gardening is? Well, let me enlighten you. Rock gardening is a unique and specialized form of gardening that puts rocks at the forefront, beautifully complemented by alpine plants and other drought-tolerant species. It's not just about placing rocks and plants together, it's about creating a unique aesthetic that's perfect for those with limited space or those wanting to bring a piece of the mountain landscape to their backyard. Ready to dive deeper into the world of rock gardening? The first step towards creating a stunning rock garden is choosing the right location. A well-drained area with ample sunlight is ideal, as rock-loving plants thrive in such conditions. The soil should be lean and sandy, as it mimics natural rock garden habitats. Now let's talk rocks. Limestone, sandstone, or local rocks are typical choices. To create an aesthetically pleasing rock garden, vary the size and shape of your rocks. As for the plants, go for small, hardy species that can withstand rocky conditions. Alpine plants, succulents, and some types of wildflowers are all great choices. Remember, diversity is key to a vibrant rock garden. With these basics in mind, you're ready to start your rock gardening journey. So, how does one get started with rock gardening? Simple. First, choose the perfect location, ideally a sunny spot. Next, select your rocks. Remember, variety adds charm. Then arrange the rocks to your liking. It's like creating a mini landscape. Fourth, choose your plants, considering their size, color, and growth patterns. Lastly, plant your chosen species among the rocks. Carefully nestle them in, ensuring they have room to flourish. And voila, you've created your very first rock garden. Now that you know the ABCs of rock gardening, you're all set to create your own miniature rocky landscape. Embrace the delight of crafting your unique garden. Remember, this video is always here to guide you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!